In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage labels in New Outlook 365. If you want a simple way to organize your inbox and make important messages easier to find, using labels, also called categories, is a great option. In New Outlook 365, categories let you assign colors and names to emails, so you can quickly identify different types of messages at a glance. This is especially helpful if you want to separate work emails, personal messages, follow-ups, or priority items. To get started, open Outlook. Once Outlook is on your screen, make sure you are in the Mail section, because that's where you'll be working with your messages. From here, go to the specific email that you want to label. Take a moment to choose the message carefully, since the category you apply will be attached to that email. Next, right-click on the email. A menu will appear with several options. In that menu, click Categorize and then select a color. This is the quickest way to apply a label to your email. As soon as you choose a color, that category will be assigned to the message. Color labels are useful because they give you an instant visual cue, helping you scan your inbox more efficiently without opening each email. Now, let's customize those labels a little more. Right-click on the same email again, and this time click Manage Categories. This opens the area where you can view and control the categories available in your Outlook account. If the default color names are too generic for the way you work, this is where you can make them more meaningful and organized. Once you're in the Manage Categories section, click Create New. Then enter a name for your new category. Choose something clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later. After that, choose a color that makes sense for that category. For example, you may want one color for urgent messages and another for items you want to review later. When you're done, click Save. That's it. You've now created and managed labels in New Outlook 365. Using categories consistently can make your inbox much easier to manage over time. As a helpful tip, try using a small set of clear category names and colors so your system stays simple and easy to maintain. Once you get into the habit of labeling emails, staying organized becomes much faster and more intuitive.